A very good morning to all. So today we are going to do another subtopic of coordinates geometry, that is the section formula. And before we are going to do the section formula, let's do one example from yesterday's topic, which is the distance formula. So distance formula, actually we will complete it yesterday. So this is one example about the distance formula. Say, find the point on the x-axis. The point is on the x-axis. Remember this. Which is equidistant. So today we are going to focus this term. Equidistant. Equidistant. So dig to machine because of the length So equidistant means, equal means normally we say equal, isn't it? So the equidistant here, it means from the points -2, 5 and 2 and 3. So means, for example, say that we have the 2 points. Point in your point in -2 and 5 and then we have 2 and -3. There are 2 points. But the find the point on the x-axis. On the x-axis, axis location goes to point the correct x-axis if the point is on x-axis, which means y is equal to 0. That is point x-axis point. Suppose that this is the point P on x-axis, and if it is x-axis, the coordinates of the x is the value x itself, but the y coordinates is 0 because this point is on x-axis. The equidistant equidistant from the another 2 points equidistant. The correct advantage also distance formula distance formula so example and then we'll move to the section formula part. Example coordinates x x y 0 in x. So we are going to find the value of x. X the value there. So find the point on the x-axis. X-axis x right? Y so the point is so the value of x. So that so let's see here the given point. Solution the points mean let's say let the point on x-axis. Point on the x-axis be P and x and 0. Now which is equidistant from the other two? So equidistant from the other two. The point let's say it's the one of the other point is the A point -2 and 5, and the other point is B, which is 2 and -3. And both of these are equidistant from point P. So which means now we are going to use the formula. The formula to derive distance formula in the formula. That is the drawing by na A B P da A P point P. The point P ne A point B so P A is equal to PB. So let's see the PA. So section formula PA is equal to PB because it says the equidistant. And then what is the value of PA? The PA is the value of the distance formula. So distance formula looks bracket PA and P value is x and 0 and A means that is -2 and 5, B which is equal to 2 and -3. Suppose say that this is the x and y and this is a 1 and 2. So yesterday we'll recognize that 1 is the x1 and y1, x2 and y2. Doesn't matter. Either this is your x1, y1 or x2, y2. Either you say that this is x and y, this is x1 and y1. Okay, how link formula x2 minus x1 that is the 2 in Bachasha, the 1 in Bachasha and drawing x2 and -2. So x2 negative minus x. So plus this is and next here is a y y2 is 5 so 5t minus 0 and whole square, and which is equal to that is PB so PB relation 0 so this party so x2 this is a 2 minus x1 0 whole square plus bracket -3 0 and minus 0 whole square. Then the equality part the equal sign here so the degree root need the now here we apply the identity. Then identity so negative the negative negative the square so the negative need to common term. So negative square here it becomes a positive. So the identity 2 2s are 4 plus a square plus b square x square plus 2a into b 2 2s are 4x. The thing is identity. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So similarly here plus t and 0 is 0. So 5 5s are 25 come to t, and here exactly same. But here that we have a 1 negative. Negative chick means and negative chick they over that. So then the negative so the negative comment it becomes a positive. So here 4 2 2s are 4 a square plus b square so x square. So the negative is that negative 2a into b so 4x. And then part plus 3 3s are 9. Type sign same the 4 and 4 x square and x square. What is left here? 4 but it's a negative sign and here's a positive sign. So negative the positive so it's a 8x which is equal to part 25 and plus 9. So x the same negative sign is greater so put negative here. 25 minus 9 is a 16 divided by the 8 so 8 1s are 8 8 2s are 16 which is equal to -2. So therefore the coordinates of the point x point -2 and 0. So the coordinates the 2 x axis and -2 so x axis y coordinates 0 is. So I'll just take this as one example. Example so the example is a section formula. So what do you mean by section formula? The section formula to distance formula and formula they apply or the the section and formula section love in section of the line the line the internet points to the patient and line A B A and B. Right? That is question jawab. Question the one jawab chhi ra so telling a point P through in by na. So the line question in the so. Chi ni. So part ni nothing say. Part sum la eta chu ra ko khandar part sum kya na re sheet kya na re khasum ko kya na part question kya da chik shen ba re shama sama ga ju ge shen to res. So this is section formula. Line tingbuchi gano la roaki la the telang to ya yoni yoda internally and externally leisure external la the bana china external chegwa ta tanda go jang go jure think of internally da line jo in by na line digi kimala yang aju point le na digi coordinates the correct those ta go drum share me here in Gopalpur roanga ka de Gopalpur yo तावासु सामुदान देवसरा दिने 파칭 바나는 수제 배김이오레스 दिने 야칭 바나 아니 가서 가서 다람살아 요레스 so 다람살아 당 고발푸 다 다람살아 당 수제니 디테일다 와 가서디 코오디네이트 데어다 쟤는 나 포지션 간다실래 대도라나 아니 가서 다간 부스탄 거레스 so 딩은 수제 맞차샤 딩은 다람살이 말다 so 쟤는 나 고발푸 기 코오디네이트가 디 가르레다나 Oh, this is like an Karapustan law in Bena and section formula and the question is the section formula house line Rimbuchi Kimalara and to point in a tail in Bena. The time is in point in the Marwa. Casey, Taramsala coordinates down Kopalpur coordinates the Hakugina, Suja Kawaii made the Haku. Young Dini Hakugi away in Bena, Taramsala coordinates the Kawaii Haku. The lady dig point coordinates the hakuela those that chidang a de de dang ma point chi ye yore in dig point kaul shi shaula na inji minji ga kaul shi shaula an kesan ga ke shaula shi cartesian plane neo in ba na an ga dig point to end to ma yes so ding an to kawa kawa ye me de ani ta ba ma to kare chi shaula na ani x axis and y axis ka sang to coordinates the judu go so de la rectangular coordinates na degree cartesian plane na tigirwa at the digit she shall tone and shining on to ko kawaii made doing to this so the never so that the only that we are going to derive the formula section formula na the dish to the leisure teachable on to drive chain ra direction change ko na ba tri okay first I'm going to write here the a Cartesian plane and there is she shall also the formula maintained casing also the dindig coordinate geo in bina so dindig so this is our x-axis and this is your y-axis here time also the point you are thinking of case point is yours any point chick was there thing of the dinda the point that I'm going to Sujanda S. Right, this is example shot. Tarnishing on any the count to Dinda, count the Kanshake, Taramsa in the rock, my mind Jordan. I'm going to store it. So, dig point has another Taramsa D in the rock. So, D coordinates. Chena, and dig Timala has a point career low in banana soon. Such a Harki to love in banana, and also Barber Kegi does. So, I'll represent as a G to T shora to see. Oh, so G in that. Right? Then in what Sucha down the Ramsaki coordinates down to the Nisha somehow Gumera in the represent Kashina, Digash down to the X1, Y1 represent shape, Dinga to have Gumerson X2, Y2 represent shape. And x down, y in x and y. Just remember this only. S suja x1 y1. Kawabudu taramsalabadu x2 y2. Then my position here is just x and y. There you go. I'm such a kawatu. This is the so this is the position the dish tone and section formula that we turn to it. So let's see here, and to derive this formula, what we are going to do here is let's do some constructions here. Then going to do construction testing. So this construction that is going to be infinite. y 가수 조절 positive and negative la x 가수 조절와 타디나는 답을 가져려나 let's see here this and the two given points are s and d so let's say s the point is x2 and y2 s is 1 y isn't 1 and y1 and d x2 and y2 check. Thing to get the point needed it. The thing now to say let g take a g get let x and y okay let x and y think it has to say let x and y be the points, the coordinates, be the coordinates of the point P, the point 0, x and y the any coordinates correctly, g the coordinates the in pachashas in a g the karchik which divide SD in the ratio that the ratio condition divide ratio D comparison ratio so D meaning the ratio the M the N in the ratio and divide ratio M is to N the internally the thing of the internally SD in the ratio M is to N internally. The construction construction okay, the thing so this lesson. Okay, now we need a little construction from here. Construction is construction test construction deep point is in perpendicularly descent formula chamber is so perpendicular this is perpendicularity perpendicularity there's another perpendicular this goes those are perpendicular perpendicular. So then the perpendicular and teaching and say here, just give the name here. A, B, C to the right mean so say draw S A GB and DC the draws correction perpendicularly the x-axis la perpendicular to the x-axis. So x-axis lang the perpendicular is. Yeah, but the what down to the perpendicular also Dana shi ro the pa pa perpendicular shi da. Dene ga those pa chi genetic do. Ya dene dana shi pa shi those pa chi da. Those pa ni chi da ro. Anti pa gang za shi ne kyun da me do da de gang za. Those pa chi na sha na ji. Ta de ba ya pa perpendicular de na de ming state sha ro. De la na to kha che na K L de state ro. And the long M in that M to M came in the and this is origin O. Dana Shingan to Hardolana this M S L and para M Ligonzo S L and GK perpendicular to DC. DC la di perpendicular yores and yet 90 degrees 30 to 90 degrees around so dinzo 90 metare and dinzo 90 metare. So this one on 90 measure. That is 90 and case on descent formula now we are going to write down their measurement. That was measure measurement to do it. Dene di bodo ngazo khasele kesan launa shi dene di bodo ngazo khasele na x move shi do so x khasele na x1 do so dene di bodo ngazo khasele na x1 ine dene di bodo khasele do law impa na and the x do dene di bodo x move shi do ege ro chana ngazo di khasu gore law impa na tade x kanza ne x1 to 10 da ro x1 do di so kesan chi ko shen ba x minus x1 10 da so sare x this is whole is x, and if you are going to subtract this x1, we get AB, and AB is nothing that is SM. The value is what? That is not. I want to go ahead and go na what? This channel I want to go ahead and triangle ni go there. The triangle is what? The ta. The triangle is what? Oh, the triangle ni the lang pa shisha ko. That because you said it. The triangle need to show way by now the side measurement is in what you should do digital. And similarly here, JK lessons are JK the most give it extra. Give it extra, JK and D is 0. Yeah, that is the need to love him by now. To sleep right there. Tipo to x x2. Channel D descend has to travel the Kansa ne Divotor x1 camera D descended. So the Kansa has to x2 raw. So x2 ne D2 can because x raw. So D descended as Hashare they jig up. That is how we forget here to or Tom Dina to agenda. Exactly same to the y axis layer. D descend has to low in Bana. The Kansa ne Dimatera. The Kansa has to do. Y1 y and divo to y1 raw. So dot you in pena y ne minus y1 to 10 y ne y1 10 the rasa. Chipike down the gansa has to low in pena y2 raw. So the y2 she y2 ne cutting on the detail the raila y2 ne the mother. The has to y has to y raw. Those patana. And then ratio was M rate, then was N. The habor. Thank you, teaching the correct share to low in Bana. Say SM. SM is equal to the decision draw in a SM and Dilwa. The Ganzo Karsha to low in Bana. The Ganza to Kasur low in Bana. Extra Ganza X. The name of the Kartan to low in Bana and X1 the temporary. So that means X minus x1 G loss. The other thing on to get to the Shabadina in Bana GK GK which is equal to x2 minus x6. Y axis slashing by Bana Dicardona JM which is equal to y minus y1, and last that we have dk. dk kartulana y2 minus y1. That is question bit. The Google engine is so the next page go through you to cover. So that dinner go to secret. The thing is the need the matin. Then you the tola answer tola to because the shama thing go. Rinpoche go in Banana day another. The niggy George go in Bana. Mala ping jura diggy rings at Gorda. Chanage Ganzane, Department of Education. So did the Chipian dinner. Ganza are did it. Tika extra. In a Mati Gora, so didn't a cartel and a detail, the value of extra. So x minus x1. Those temas dealing the Chipian already. Just the data understand the Shabaka Kakoyama. That catches you never the color triangle need the color when you got similar is. Since these two triangles, that is a similar triangle concept, made it some. That's a hard. The imbalance can come to Padrunda. Our triangle need a picture. SMG is similar to triangle GKD. Similar is the triangle is similar in by a Karchigre. The next should be the similar triangle of the leading. Triangle is similar in by the congruent. Tumbatan Gwen on congruent triangle challenge. The congruent now in Banana side from a draw, shape some chicken, shape chicken, and shape chicken in some Jugomari, size chicken and anything of the congruent later. The similar in a kind of similar catch shooting on a career low in Banana, similar than Chishun Kawa Kega Yomari. Even a Koran in a career, Koran the corresponding ratio or corresponding size, I think on the ratio so much was charged over it. That is a Krishna. Similar triangle. The ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. That ratio now in a triangle D side D down, D down, the corresponding that's one. Similar to those ballet when similar triangle change to the triangle too much in a similar. Even a casual carbo to low in Banakugi corresponding size or D because the ratio in drawing but cheaper shade. Then I could by the hypotenuse 90 dina, then 90 rod. So hypotenuse D by a T hypotenuse instead of M rod, you know, so the M rings it down, Gangi N rings the ratio then you tear down. Young size Shabalin, Dira, digging the Dira. The Nagi Tango did it teach another DDS go to more. And the end come to Malashe. Don't look Sisha. SG divided by GD is equal to SM. Take it to the G gauge. And you did also MG instead of KD. All the current similar triangle, the case over there. Similar triangle, corresponding size ratio, corresponding side, the continuous summer, chico charides. That was occasion when I was big value summer taking to 2 side, but this fortune drawing by now. SG level the Kazuri, M draw. So then M part 2 divided by D to the Kazur the N draw and equal to SM and D draw. So X minus X1 divided by GK and D draw. X2 minus Xj, which is also equal to y minus y1, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. That's already. How much did I formula research? That's the comparison in a sea. The dinium to chichi, the has a ding on to colorana equal lagato, the cancer, dinium to compare cheese, the Nyamdoyan compare cheese. Company parachidano. So the Tambungi dinium to Jumina, dinium to Chilla Jorva. The dinium to join a crossman platan, Tam di Pashinda, Tam di Parachipo drawing banana. So the crossman platan, M, K, x2 minus x là tăng thì ya tăng đó equal to là equal tăng rồi n ki x minus x1 là tăng à thì chỉ có những cái nào sẽ rồi so thì tăng cross pa khachin chung mà mx2 minus mx rồi thì pa tăng nx rồi minus nx1 so thì nào nó ngang rồi ta x की coordinate से वो सोचते हैं x से longest path तो है कि बेसिक चीज़ दरवा so x दे वो सोचते हैं ना जो चीज़ दरवा m x वाली m x रवा dx तक पाता minus n x equal to देना खरे लेना negative दवा minus n x1 रवा फगे ये सूत्र ना minus m x2 रवा तो सामान negative ये सो को negative सामान cancel तंग दिख दवा ये को सोचता दी ना वो खरे comment दोला ना x comment दवा so ये x से सूत्र नहीं दा ये x से सूत्र तो ये बन नाउ खर्चा सुना ना m plus n chart negative sum में सोच सकता है दे negative जो comment है negative दा फगे negative comment negative ये cancel तंग दवा which is equal to दी ना लांग दा से comment में सोचता खर्चा ना कारण दिंगे just rearranging दवा m x2 plus n x1 divided by that when the divided by the so that the m the mata x which is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n did that thing on to be x the coordinates to start x की formula this x the has out there x the points to the answer that chico can see did the ni para and the name of her y की coordinates rate पेशा शंता पे ना न्यूट्रल दी का कौन सा याद नहीं दौड़वा ते तां सिंह पे ना हर रे ना m y 2 चिकता minus m y रो equal to दी कौन सा याद तां नहीं पे ना n y minus n y 1 रो तां ये दी लाओ ना शिफास में वंसु के ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो इन पे ना y की वैल्यू से वो सोचा y दी रो so y divided by na minus m y di chu ta da minus n y equal to minus n y1 di pata na m y2 negative cancel chi kuchen cherwa so di ta drawing by na di na khala sna na y comment wa so nge y chu ten and di na khala yi di pata ta shan ji wa y is equal to phaga khala sna na di myo chi di m y2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n being on to give y coordinates the charge so don't do any na on to coordinates correct chilena coordinates of p is right again g is right g की coordinate x ना y दे खरे दो लाओ इन बाय ना दिन आलो ला g जरो g खर्चे दो ना थांबो दे तो खर्चे दो x की वैल्यू m x2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n चिकता what bracket in the shape dus now x का shape y का तो खर्चे दो लाओ इन बाय ना my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n so दिनी है ना तो कोई की फॉर्मूला दे दिए और तो दी फॉर्मूला दिला ना तो खा लेना ना सेक्शन फॉर्मूला है ना ता चिक पचे कोस है इन गोमासो ने क्लास ता वीडियो तक में सोचा या गोमासो ने या रांचा क्यों या मा रांचा ता सिदारा दिनी तेते गोसु देखा को खेगे यो मारे ये कैसा लाओ ना सिंग ता दी coordinates geometry नालो ने क्या पे तो रहे ता दी के ठुक यो रे ठुक सोले ड्राइवर दा देला जैसा दे गिव अप ची मा ची so don't do anything खाना दी x की वैल्यू रे दी y की वैल्यू रे लो तो x ता y की वैल्यू हा को इन पाने दी तो दा ठुआ कने रुटी रे तो ते नेगा ची दिरो ता ठुआ कने रुटी लो इन पाने दी ता दी हा को ना की मा से तू रे दी ता दी हा को ना दी yang से तू रे खानदर पॉइंट सुन नालो रो चिकटे मेना रे नी टे ना नी दी पेच ता ने आ सुबा दे से तू रे लो ठीक छे ता ठुआ मांसो खाली लेना रो रेशियो से ले दे रेशियो ना m is to n रो point टे 아주 제가 간다고 임바나 the m당 m기 ratio 가르레스. So 딘데기 좋아야 마음을 그래서 드링 테스트 그래서 뒤쪽 테스트 동해로 재수 안 되면 송자다 드링 트란 시험에 제시라 디 가르치는 포뮬라 대고 시험에 지로지. 디 포뮬라의 가르치 포뮬라를 나오 임바나 아니 section formula기 가서 디레 section 가서 디 섹션을 나타 고색이야와 고색이는 두기 요거 임바나 딘데 조당치나라 아니 포뮬라 가르고도 나오 임바나 this is the formula 드링의 데 formula the derivation 데 지고로지 and 디 제 다가라로 와다 얘기 비디오기 제 다가라라 아니 얘기 디와 가라가선 파축셴이 and 디 디와도 그런소기 descent formula 계산 표시 당교다 드링 section formula도 표시 당네 and 그런 가들시 디난 시투도와 안치다로지 사니 얘기 디 example needs 파샤라 아니면 디 application 파 트렌다 last one test 래